review on some of the hosting plans that I've been with over the time and leave you with the one that I believe is the best and the one that I've decided to go with now. So the first one that I ever chose was Yahoo Small Business Hosting, Windows based. Same with GoDaddy and Domain Central, which is a local company for me. The first cPanel Linux based hosting I went with was Web Hosting Buzz. A little bit of downtime, but average support. So I went to HostMonster, little bit better uptime, I would say, you know, about 98%, around there. A little bit better support as well, you know, but I wanted better, so I went to HostGator, and they're the ones that I'm with now. I just want to go through some of the features right now. Unlimited disk space, same with add-on domains, bandwidth, site builder, control panel, cPanel. You know, there's many scripts you can install, quick installs. You can install WordPress literally in 1 second. Many website templates you can use. This is basically spot on, you know, uptime guarantee. I've never had any downtime with HostGator. I've been with them for years now. This is a great one. This is a big one. Anytime I have a problem with a script or something I've just installed, 24/7, 365 technical support, I'll just use the live chat right here. Even if it's midnight and I have a you know, a quick question, they'll always be there, and that's something I've never had before in any of my previous hosting companies. And right now I just wanted to share with you a special deal that's running right now. You can actually try out HostGator for 1 cent. You can come here, webcoupondepot.com, and I'll basically just run through the steps that you have to take to get this hosting for 1 cent. Highlight the coupon code here and copy. The video that you're actually you'll see load automatically on the page is just there to show you exactly what I'm basically going to show you, and you can pause it and come back anytime. Click here on step number 3. This is going to take you to HostGator, so we can pick up our plan for 1 cent. Basically you'll just click view web hosting plans. You'll choose the baby plan. There's the unlimited domains there. The baby plan is the one that works with the 1 cent deal. Basically you'll just put in your own domain here if you have a domain. If you don't, you can register a new one, but this will get you the 1 cent hosting. Remove whatever else is in the coupon section, right click, paste our new coupon, the special coupon, and click continue to step 2, and that's basically it. You'll just fill out your username, security pin, your payment info, 45-day money back guarantee, the 1 cent plans there, and just click create account. I believe you'll love them. I've been with them for years now. Awesome support, and I hope they'll work out just as well as for you as they have for me.